Everyone, today we're gonna be replacing the rear shock absorber in my 2014 Honda Civic, 9th generation Honda Civic. And I was looking at this one bolt right here, and there's another bolt all the way on top of there, which is hitting underneath the upholstery and the trunk. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be replacing it, upgrading it with new KYB gas shock absorber XLG, and I'm gonna be using first this clip removal tool that I just recently bought. So I'm probably gonna be removing this clip right here, and I think there's another underneath here. If you lift it up, just right there. So if I remove both of them, probably I have access to the bolt without disassembling all this. I don't want to take all these out. I would like to disassemble the less I can. First, we're gonna be using this bright. See how easy it goes? Let's do that again. Just put it here and just pull it out. It's made for this. So it's supposed to be around here. Let's see. There it is. So let's move the light. So if you see in top, it has like a hole for the internal wrench that looks like Allen wrench. So you break the nut, torque, and hold with the Allen wrench, and with the open wrench, then finishing removing the nut. That's the first thing I'm gonna lose before lose the bottom end. If you can see, it's the layout I'm using a 3/8 ratchet with an extension, number 7 Allen wrench, and the number 14 millimeter is a ratchet too. It's an open end wrench, but it's a ratchet one. So that's what I'm gonna be using to remove this bolt first. Just had it out. So now go here. See, it's already loose. So now what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be pulling it down, and just pull it down. You see, it has a piece of rubber here. The rounded end goes facing down. On the top, you see the other piece of rubber. The rounded end goes facing down too, like this. My bad. Let me correct something that I said. I was looking at it. The flat part goes down, the rounded end goes up. So it goes like this. The round part goes up. That's how it goes. Get it? That's the part that goes to the shock absorber. The rounded side goes facing down. The flat part goes facing towards the car, and the one that goes inside the car, it goes like this. And the rounded side goes facing up. So this is the shock absorber side. Then the car goes here, the chassis, and then go the other piece of rubber on top, and then the washer, and then the nut. So that's how it goes. So I want to be sure to put the other one back the right way. So now I'm going to proceed and remove this bolt right here, this one right here, this one. So in the bottom part, it's only one bolt. And it's a 14 millimeter with a 40 millimeter socket. You can get it out. I already broke it loose. Because the other side is not. I think it's a reef nut. It's a permanently attached nut on it. So you have to just remove this side only and remove the shock absorber out. Let's see if it's loose enough to get it out. Yep, easy. It's out already. So now I'll pull this guy out. That's it. So now I'm gonna put the other one in. Same way. See, the rounded side goes down towards the shock absorber. Okay. Already got a new one in. I mean, it's not all the way in. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna tighten the bottom part first, and then put a jack underneath here. Here's underneath the arm, and lift it with the arm. And when you're lifting it, use my other hand and guide it toward here. So that way, I'm able to put the top side in. As you've seen, I use a jack, brought this whole arm up, while guiding with the other hand the shock absorber through the hole. Went inside the car. We get the light. And put the piece of rubber with the rounded side up. It's already all aligned. So the thing I got left now is put this washer in and the new nut and tighten everything, and that would be it. Then put this cover back. The only clip I had to remove was this one here, just to make room to get it out. The bottom one I didn't have to remove it. Then after this thing is tight, put the upholstery back together and reassemble the wheel back and everything. You'll be done. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much for watch. Bye.